Okay, welcome back everybody. This is officially my second vlog. Today the plan is to go to Trona. We're going to shoot sunset and Milky Way out there. I also plan to check out the earthquake damage out there. I know there was a couple roads that were damaged. You know, there was cracks left in the desert. I plan to check that out with the drone, with the camera, so we'll see how that works out. Before that, I plan to stop in Riverside and pick up my film that finally got developed. Really excited for that. I got 2 rolls, so that's about 64 shots. I don't know how many actually turned out good, so I guess we'll find out. See you there. Okay guys, so I just picked up the film right now. It's right here. One of the rolls was expired that I shot, and it looks like that roll is really underexposed, so I don't know how those are going to be. I'll see when I get them on the computer. But this roll, the one that I took to Big Sur, and I took to Oregon, I took a couple other places, it looks pretty good. So I guess we'll see later. Okay, now on to Trona. See you guys there. I forgot to record an intro to this spot, but we just arrived in Trona, and right away the damage from the earthquake was very visible. The following is multiple clips of the damage from the earthquakes. They were struck with a 6.2 and a 7.1.
This restaurant
in a span
right
of
here
2
is
days.
closed because of earthquake damage. We're currently walking around looking for earthquake damage. This building is closed too. Let's see if it focuses. It says large cracks in CU wall and crack in slab in F&D. Most of these businesses and places are closed because of earthquake damage. So we'll see what else we can find. Foundation of the building here is all cracked, as you can see. This is the goodbye. People's houses are closed off. They got signs they can't even occupy them. Foundations are collapsed. This is really bad. Moved over to the other side of town. This side of town looks unaffected. The houses are okay in this part. People are still living in them. They're not condemned. Looks like this guy hit a lot less, but wow. 90% of the businesses are closed because they're unsafe. I know I heard that a lot of the buildings were damaged and stuff, but I didn't realize it was that bad. 90% of the businesses were closed and they were condemned. So the one spot that we stopped at, the Spar's that I ate at last time I was here, they pretty much said, like, we're closed for good. We don't think we can open again. So I don't know. It looks like they've recovered mostly, but there's still a couple of Red Cross vehicles and stuff out there. But man, I'm just glad it wasn't worse.
Okay, so as you can see behind me, these are the Trona Pinnacles. We'll be shooting sunset and Milky Way here tonight. Hopefully we get something really good. Won't have any clouds for sunset, but Milky Way should be perfect. Okay, so the sun is already set, and right now I'm just waiting on blue hour. I'm gonna get a couple wide angle shots. This is an example of what I'm gonna be trying to shoot. Kind of put the bushes in the foreground and then the pinnacles in the background. Right now I'm just gonna be shooting blue hour and then waiting for the Milky Way to come up. I'm probably gonna shoot a few more time lapses, but yeah, I think that's it for the video. Throw some time lapses in. I'm gonna try like a Milky Way time lapse. I don't know if it'll turn out, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. See you guys next time. Thank you.